friends, long time no see. As you probably know, I am very bad at keeping this channel consistent. But that's due to university commitments, social commitments, all that kind of stuff. But since we're in the middle of a pandemic, I am in self-isolation mode. So what we'll be doing today, as I'm sure you can tell from the title, is creating an eyebrow slit. Literally, I was just looking at pictures of Taeyong and I remembered his eyebrow slit. I guess I've wanted this for like a while. Also, I kind of want the double slit because I think it looks cool, but I'm scared. I'm gonna use the right eyebrow because I feel like this side of my face is a lot more boring compared to this side of my face. It says to use tape and I don't have tape. Disgusting. Okay, I'll be back. Hi, I'm back. I still didn't find any tape, so I guess I'm just gonna use this card and try to... This is not a good idea. I feel like I'm gonna shave my whole eyebrow off. And you know what? If I do, I do. Also, my razor freaking broke in half. So I'm gonna just be holding it like this and... Oh, bad idea, but okay. It's fine. Eileen, it's fine. Do it for the gram. Oh my god. This is not terrible. I can fix this, I think.
Don't cry.
Holy shit, I need some fucking tweezers. Holy shit. My friends are gonna see this and they're gonna like clown me to the moon and back. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? I think I'm making it worse by the more I pluck, because the less hair that's around that area, the more the gap widens. Luckily it's on the right side of my face so I can just fucking hide it with my hair, but oh, look, if I do this, it looks like my eyebrows just end there in the middle of my eye. So this is the final product. I want to sue myself, honestly, because what the fuck is this? Let me see if I can fix it with some makeup, with some change of outfits, with a dangly earring maybe. I am having so many crises right now. Who is she? Honestly. Okay, you know you fucked up really bad when you need false lashes to cover up your mistakes. Wait, did I kind of fix it? I feel like I kind of fixed it on this side, right? Oh no, probably not. But the more I look at it, I want another one that goes through here. I don't think it'd be a good idea for me to do that though, because I'm just gonna end up with no eyebrow. But maybe if I draw it on with just like concealer, then it might be cute. That did not work out. Okay, Control D command. that's enough for today. I'm just gonna Photoshop that on so that I can have that in my final pictures, because this is kind of tragic and I'm kind of losing it. You should subscribe, you should like, you should comment, and yeah, shout out to my friends who enabled me and clowned me at the same time.